Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to make star in Infinite Craft. It's not something difficult. I'm going to show you right now how you can be able to do it. And now without wasting your time, let's go to my laptop. So as you can see, I'm opening Infinite Craft here. So here I have all the elements or the items. And now the first thing that I need to start with, which is I'm gonna choose wind and I'm gonna mix it with earth. So we had dust, so all we need to do is to go and select earth again, and let's mix or fuse them both. We have now planet, so let's go and search for planet. Okay, so okay, that's it. So all we need to do is to just fuse planet with planet, and as you can see, I just got star, and that's how you can do it. It's not something difficult. Just fuse the elements or the items that I showed you right now in this video, and you're gonna be able to make star in Infinite Craft easily. So this was the video. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.